Okay, so today I wanted to do a quick overview of our bottle filling system. This is an automatic bottle filling system that is geared towards filling all sorts of different shapes and size bottles, all on a bench top for you. As you can see here, here's two examples of two different bottles that work great on this bottle filling system. This system can be scaled up or down. The pump itself can run up to 1.7 liters per minute. So it is super fast and it is super accurate and is built in the United States. Same with this whole automatic system here. The trays themselves, we usually will custom build for you unless you would like to custom build them yourself. For us, we usually have it set up for 2 rails. So your operators will just put the tray against one stop, put the tray against the other stop, and they're ready to fill. For our example today, I have a fill tray here of shot glasses, and we are going to fill them up a ½ ounce at a time. This tray itself will hold 48 bottles. This system works off a network-based system, so you can use your phone, tablet, PC, any operating system. It does not matter. The operating system itself looks like this. It'll just ask you a few different questions, like how much you're filling, the fill speed, if you would like to reverse the pump at all to stop any drippage if there is any, your travel feed rate, how many rows there are on your tray, the row distance, how many columns there are on your tray, and the column distance. To get started, you simply press the home button. There are 6 predefined locations here that are easy to set up, and I could get into that at a later video, but I am going to say which tray we are running now. So I'm going to set that. You only need to set that one time when you first fire up the system. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the cycle. And you can see this system is now going to fill up 48 bottles. The pump, you could change acceleration, deceleration, and the speed it is filling. It also comes in all sorts of different rated hose. You can see I have a clear one on there now. That's just for demonstration. This system is built for food and beverage though. We do get our hose from all the top manufacturers, so if you do have a hose that you really need, most likely it'll work with our system. Again, this system is scalable up and down, so if you would like to fill bigger bottles or put this system on a conveyor, we can do that. The system is pretty accurate here. Let me go ahead and give you a quick example. Now I am going to add in whatever these plastic shot glasses weigh, but to give you a rough example of accuracy here, I'm just going to throw them on the scale here. So that bottle is at 17. That bottle is at 17. That bottle is at 17. You can see it is very repeatable. And everything is customizable on here for you. Everything is built with industrial products. It does come with a key switch, an e-stop, and a control box that you hang on your table or wall. And we got 2 rows left. If you have any questions on this system or would like to get one, just go to www.rockymountainplc and give us a call and contact us. we'll be more than happy to help you out. Pardon the mess, guys. This is just on one of our benches. We just had a lot of people that wanted to see this, so thought we'd post a video of it tonight. When the system is done, it'll just go right back to home for you. That way you could take this tray out, load in your next tray, and hit cycle start again. One thing that is nice on the user interface is it will keep track of your cycles. It'll tell you your file name. You can also save your settings. You can also pause the system mid-cycle, clear the counter, and you have a few other settings down here that we could get into at a later time. Thank you so much for watching.